We're here at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort getting ready to have a blast from the past. This resort is a 50s and 60s retro-inspired resort. This resort has so much to offer. It has 2 pools, a lazy river, tons of places to eat, and a bowling alley. Let's go check it out. It's gonna be swell. As soon as you walk into this lobby, you are completely immersed. They have palm trees right here in the middle, and over to the right is where you do all of your check-in. Your lounge is complete with live music, which really adds to the atmosphere here at the resort. And then, of course, the Swizzle Lounge. This is where you can get a nice adult beverage. If you want to take a break from the parks or take a break from your day at the resort, you can head over here to the bar and get a nice drink. One of the things that I do love about the Universal Resorts is vacation planning, where you can buy tickets so you don't have to do it at the parks. And as with all Universal Resorts, you have the gift shop. The one at Cabana Bay is exceptionally large. They have a lot of merchandise here. So if you forget something at the parks, if you saw something that you loved and you didn't grab it there, or you didn't have it sent to the resort room, you can most likely find it here at one of the shops. They have a huge Harry Potter section here at Cabana Bay, so you can see all of that Harry Potter inspired merchandise. There's those Birdie Bot beans. Has anyone ever had the Birdie Bot beans? I don't know if I'm brave enough to try these yet. And then you have all of your Universal inspired merchandise over here. Hubby, what are you up to?
Oh, just having my coffee.
Nice hat, by the way.
Thank you.
I'm in love with the new Universal merchandise. I think this shirt might appear in another video, I'm not sure, but I love that shirt. What'd you find there, hubby?
I found this shirt, Jurassic Park inaugural site guest. Site B. Inaugural park guest, site B. I think I'm gonna have to get this.
And of course, all Universal Resorts have some toiletries, so your basics, all your essentials that you need when you travel. And then over here, if you want to go swimming and you didn't think about bringing your swimwear or goggles, towels, anything like that, they have all of that for you right here at the resort. I'm still not sure how I don't have one of these donuts, but somehow I think this is gonna be in our home one day. Here's your Starbucks that you find at most of your Universal Resorts. I'm going to warn you that this Starbucks gets really busy in the morning. This line wraps all the way around, so either wait a little bit or come here super early in the morning because otherwise you're going to be waiting quite a while for your Starbucks. There's a lot of seating area over here, so if you want to just bring your family and chill, have your breakfast, if you don't want to eat at the Bayliner, you can come here, or you can just grab your coffee, your Frappuccino, whatever it is, and enjoy it right here. We're heading upstairs. The bowling alley is also up here, which you can get lunch and dinner at, or just grab a snack and have a good time bowling with your family. Seems like all these resorts have these cute little spiral staircases. There it is, Galaxy Bowl. This is one of the coolest things about Cabana Bay. How many resorts do you ever see a bowling alley in? That's pretty cool, I have to admit. Here's a menu for Galaxy Bowl. So they have bites, entrees, greens, sweets, turkey wraps, steak sandwiches, Beyond Burger for vegans, chicken wings, mini pretzels, all kinds of fun snacks. Over here to the left, they have a little bar area, and then you can go into the arcade from here as well. And then this is where you can check in up here at the front. Looks like this area is the seating area if you want to sit down and eat some of those snacks. And then here are the bowling lanes. This 10-lane bowling alley is hopping today. We'll have to definitely come back here and do some bowling. This is kind of a nice little viewing area over here, so you can watch your friends bowl if you want to, but we're gonna watch a little bit of bowling over here. They have a lot going on this second floor. Over to the right of the bowling alley is Jack Lalane's physical fitness studio. You know, just in case you want to get that workout in while you're at the parks. They keep the theming going on here in the gym as well. So you can see they have all kinds of Jack Lalane memorabilia over here on the wall. They have all kinds of fitness equipment in here. Just a really cool gym if you want to get away from the parks and get a little extra exercise after eating all that yummy theme park food. Puppy, I need some privacy. I'm working off my butterbeer. And over to the left of the bowling alley is Game-O-Rama. This is Cabana's game arcade center. It's really cool in there. It's probably one of the largest game arcades that I've seen on property. They have some cool games in there. At the very end of the hallway, they have a really cool view of the Bayliner diner upstairs. If you check out the TVs, they have old commercials on loop, so it's kind of fun to watch them.
It's Sunday morning, and everybody is coming here to get breakfast, so it is busy in here. There's a lot of things going on. The line still went pretty quick. We were only in line for about 5 minutes. We're not going to go into crazy detail about the food because it basically is your cafeteria-style breakfast, but they have a lot of options. They've got an omelet bar, they've got fruit, they've got potatoes, they've got sausage, bacon, waffles, pancakes, grits, pretty much everything that you'd expect like on a breakfast spread. We got the breakfast combo here with the eggs and potatoes, biscuits, and sausage. We got some grits and some other stuff.
We're gonna head outside and check out those pools. We came up from the second floor. There's a nice little walkway that takes you straight down to the pool from the second floor, or you can enter it from the first floor as well. One of the things I absolutely love about Universal Resorts is the beachy areas that they have. So they have that nice sand. You can grab a chair and feel like you're at one of the Florida beaches while chilling by the pool. And while you're down at this pool, you can head over to Hideaway and pick up a nice cocktail to chill and relax right here at the pool. This one has the lazy river and an absolutely gorgeous view of Volcano Bay. It makes you just want to go over to Volcano Bay. I don't know, babe, it's a nice day. We should go hop in that pool. What do you think? I don't know how it is that we make it to these resorts, but we never make it to the pools, hardly ever.
We only film them, we never partake in them.
I know, but this one looks really tempting.
Yeah.
This resort is absolutely huge. You've got two wings. You've got the Americana and the Continental wing on either side. Then you have the towers that have that great view of Volcano Bay. And you also have exterior rooms as well. So just a lot of different rooms here and a lot of great walking paths. So if you want to get exercise in the morning, we're on one of the walking paths right now. One of the really cool perks about staying at Cabana Bay is you have access through a walkway to Universal's Volcano Bay water theme park. So you don't have to go to the parking garage, grab a bus. You can see Volcano Bay is right behind this fence. So that is a really cool perk if you're going to be spending a lot of time at Volcano Bay. I scream, you scream, we all scream for
ice cream
at
Shake's Malt Shop.
That's right. If you're staying at Cabana Bay, check out Shake's Malt Shop and get yourself a nice, yummy milkshake. Ooh, banana pudding. They have shakes, malts, smoothies, all kinds of things, but what they're most known for is their milkshakes. That's why it's called Shakes.
Wifey, what did you get?
I got a chocolate chunk oat amazing milkshake. This is all vegan, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I love trying vegan options, so I just had to try this shake, and it is 2 thumbs up amazing. You won't regret it.
She's not even vegan.
It's putting some boogie to my woogie.
There it is. There it is. She's running away. She's running away.
Hubby! Okay, this is gonna go really bad. Now he knows what it tastes like.
Thank you.
That's my shake. Hubby? Hubby. Mine.
Wow, that's really good. You're telling me this is vegan?
That is 100% vegan. It is called chocolate chunk oat amazing ice cream, and then they use soak oat milk to make it.
Those chocolate chunks in there are the squirrel's tuxedo.
Telling you, babe. We're heading out to the second pool. This one's over by the exterior entry pools. This one is closer to the Thunderbird, Starlight, and Castaway rooms, which are all exterior rooms. But this is your lounge around pool. You've got the slide that has a dive board facade. I love how they have two pools, but it makes sense. This resort is pretty big. Also at this pool, if you want some beverages or something to eat, you can head to the Atomic Grill right down below. These vibes are all good. The music, I mean, it is perfect out here. There is low humidity. It's a gorgeous day.
Golly gee, let's go.
I'm hungry and I'm ready to dive into this. I ended up getting the grilled cheese, but I added turkey. It was a little easier to add turkey to a grilled cheese than it was to get a turkey and provolone sandwich press because their presser was broken. It came right out of the little oven. The cheese was just really melty when we first got it. Look at that provolone. It's got spinach and tomato on it. And look at that nice toast on there. So I am ready to dive into this. That's actually legit real good for a hotel cafeteria type food. I mean, you can tell this isn't just your regular sandwich. That is cheddar cheese, Swiss cheese, and provolone cheese melted in there. I'm really happy with this. And then you got your veggies, your spinach and tomato in there, so.
I see some chips, some house-made chips.
Yes, these are house-made chips. They're nice and crunchy. They're not soggy. These chips right here are a win. I have to say I'm really impressed with the Bayliner diner here at Cabana Bay.
Now it's my turn. I actually opted for the Beyond Burger vegan wrap, which looks really good too. It's got lettuce, it's got tomato, it's got a little bit of avocado, and I think it has some like pickled onions or something. I'm gonna take a bite. Gotta take the sword out. That's pretty darn good. So I'm a fan of Beyond Burgers. I eat them at home pretty often. I think this is great. This is a great alternative if you're looking for like a cheeseburger type of thing, but a little bit healthier. It's actually very good. It's got good flavor. There's a nice crunch to it. The pickled onions are really nice. So it's a win. And the pasta salad is also good. It's a great alternative to French fries or chips, even though I've stolen a couple of chips when wifey was up getting some soda.
You didn't.
I did.
Life tastes better with a little Coca-Cola.
The Bayliner Diner is a great place to get a quick meal. You can also go healthy, and I've seen people walking around with some salads too that look really good.
Those look really good.
Yeah. But they also have pizza and burgers, and so you can go healthier if you want, or you can go unhealthy. So either way, but it's definitely a win.
Welcome to our room tour. We're staying in a family suite with an interior entry, pool view, and kitchenette. We're going to start here in the bedroom. This room fits 6 people comfortably. 4 people over here. It has 2 queen beds. I love the decor in these rooms. It is 50s and 60s inspired, but just a really neat room. You really feel immersed in these rooms. We have a little living area over here, which is very nice with a privacy door, so you can shut this door for privacy. This sofa over here does pull out into a bed. You have 2 chairs and a really nice bar area with a couple stools, so you could bring back food from any of the restaurants on property and eat it right here in the comfort of your own room. This little kitchenette is really nice if you have family or if you're going to be staying here a while longer. You have a microwave, you have your coffee maker, you have a sink, your ice bucket. And this fridge is a lot nicer than most of your standard hotel fridges. It is nice and cool in here, but they do say to make sure not to crowd the refrigerator to make sure it maintains its coolness. You have some storage down here, and you can store snacks or all kinds of things up here as well, especially if you're staying here for a longer period. Over here, you have a couple of drawers to store any of your items. Nice big full-size drawers. You have your first TV over here in the living area, and then you have a second TV straight ahead across from the two beds. And what I love about this room is the closet. So this closet has your hangers, you have your iron board, you have your iron over here, a safe, nice little shelf up there to store things. And what I love is the luggage rack. I think every hotel room should have a luggage rack. Over here is your nightstand, another drawer to store things. And then you have a couple of plugs in here, plus you have a little USB on this retro style clock and your phone. There's some more drawers over here by the bed as well. So you have drawers on this side of the room as well as on the other side of the room. And my favorite part of this room is the bathroom. So if you are with a larger family, it's a split plan. Hello. You have your shower with a sink over on the right-hand side. You have your main vanity area in the middle, and then you have your toilet room. Really great for getting ready efficiently in the morning, getting ready for those parks if you have a lot of people. Their shower is really nice and big. You have a lot of space in this room, but one of my favorite things here is the Zestfully Clean. I remember staying here the first time years ago and seeing that. It really does keep you immersed into that 50s and 60s theme. I just love that little touch. You have lots of towels, especially if you're going to be going down to the pool, your hair dryer. They also have some tissues over here. Don't mind my cleaning supplies. I like to keep these rooms nice and clean while we're staying here. But that about sums up our room tour. Let us know what you think about Cabana Bay.
Hey, I was being the light man.
You're not fully clean until you're zestfully clean.